Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome to Saraswati Shishu Kunj Wagmala, Borsar. Today I am giving you session of English Standard 3rd. But today you will be see interesting video also. Okay, so this is the part of poem. But as you know, we have learned chapter 4, A Little Fish Story, right? So in that chapter there is one poem. Okay, so poem 4 is Bird Talk. So this is the part 1. So in this poem I will explain you, but let me tell you the introduction of the poem. In this poem there are two birds, right? And their names are Robin and Jay, right? They both are sitting in the garden and talking with each other. So they are thinking that what they are doing and what people are not doing, right? So according to our poem's explanation and due to that poem's rhythm, you will understand that what they both are talking and why they are talking like this. Okay, so get ready for the wonderful video of this poem.
Are you ready, children, for this beautiful poem of bird talk? Okay, you will definitely enjoy this poem because this is colorful video and I know children like colorful pictures and video. So definitely you will love it. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I will recite this poem and you will also sing after me. Okay? First of all, I will start first paragraph and then again I will start the first paragraph. You will also repeat with me. Okay, children? Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now, in this poem, you will learn about two birds. You see this picture? See, two birds are sitting in the garden, right? And now they are talking and thinking something about people. Every time people are thinking about birds, right? But now in this poem, birds are thinking about people. Okay, whatever birds are doing, that people are not doing. Okay, so they are comparing themselves with us. So what they are talking with each other, the two birds names are, one bird name is Robin and the second bird name is Jay. Okay, Robin, Robin, Jay. You can see two birds, right? And those names are Robin and Jay. And when they are sitting in the garden, two birds are sitting in the garden. Children, you can see this beautiful garden with flowers and mushrooms and grass, right? And they are sitting and talking with each other about people. Okay, so now what they are talking, so that we will learn in this poem. Okay, the first line is, things said the robin. Think means you have to think something from our mind, right? So birds have also mind, so they are also thinking. But what they are thinking, that we will learn ahead. Things said the jay. Jay is also telling think, right? Jay is telling to the Robin and Robin is telling to the Jay. But what they are thinking? Sitting in the garden talking one day. One day they were sitting in the garden and they were talking with each other. Think, think, think. Think about people, the way they grow. They both are thinking that people are growing, right? From child to big human being, right? They are becoming elders. First of all, they are child, then they are becoming young, and then they are becoming old. So they are growing. Okay. So these both birds are talking that people are growing. Think about people, the way they grow. They are thinking, see, the people are growing. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They both birds are talking that when we are growing, so we are getting feathers. But see, when people are growing, they are not getting feathers. Children, we have feathers? No, we don't have feathers, right? But birds have feathers. Think, think, think. Again, they are thinking and thinking about people. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. Now they both are thinking that human being, people are not eating beetles. You can see in this picture that Jay is eating beetles. See, beetles means small one type of insects. See, bluebird, that is Jay, and Jay is eating beetles, right? So they both are thinking that we are eating beetles, we are eating insects, but people are not eating insects, and they don't grow wings, means they don't have wings also, they don't have feathers also, right? People don't have feathers or they don't grow wings also, right? But birds means Jay and Robin both have feathers and wings and they are eating beetles. You can see in this picture. They don't like sitting on wires and things. You can see, children, every time that birds are sitting on the wires. See in this picture also, they are sitting on the wires. If the wires are outside, right, some electrical wire also, or some which wires, on that wires our mother spread the clothes also, right? Mother hang the clothes also after washing. So they are also called wires, or electric wire or plastic wires, whatever wires, birds are sitting over there on the wires. They have grip to sit on the wires. They can catch branches, they can catch wires, okay, from there. They are sitting over there and they are sitting on any other things also. If any things are there, if there is a pot outside, so they are sitting on the pots also. If there is a box, so they are sitting on the box also, right? So all the birds can sit on the wires and any things, means any kind of things. Think, 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 means they both are thinking and thinking about it. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now they are thinking that people are very funny because they don't grow wings, they don't grow feathers, they are not eating beetles, right? They are not sitting on the wires, right? So people are very funny and we are very perfect. So we are doing this all things, but people are not doing this kind of things, right? They are not sitting on the wires. People can sit on the wires. No, people are eating beetles? No. People have feathers or wings? No. So Robin and Joy are talking that we are good and we are perfect and people are very funny. Aren't people funny to be that way? Means they are thinking the people are living like that way. They are very funny and we are very good. Think, think, think. Again they are thinking and thinking. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. So here the poem becoming and right. And now I will teach you some rhyming words. In this poem, in the last in the lines of last word, right? All the lines have their last words, right? So that last word becomes rhyming words. See here. D-A-Y day, B-A-Y bay. Funny, F-U-N-N-Y funny, B-U-N-N-Y bunny. T-H-I-N-K think, B-L-I-N-K blink. S-I-N-G sing, W-I-N-G wing. E-A-T eat, M-E-A-T meet. I am sure children that you like this poem. Am I right? If you like this poem, so see this video again and again. Sing with me again and again. Try to learn. It is very easy and beautiful poem. Right? So definitely you will enjoy it. So learn it very carefully. Okay? And this is very easy poem about people and birds. What birds are thinking for the people and what their thinking procedure means what they can also think means we are thinking because we are people but they are birds and they are also thinking about people. Whatever they are doing that is good but whatever people are doing that is funny. Okay children, I know that you get this poem and you will write very easily this exercise. Okay children, so till then stay safe. Jai Hind. Goodbye.